Hello and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to share this honey garlic salmon recipe with you guys because it is my go-to recipe when it comes to making salmon at home. This sweet, savory, and citrusy dressing complements the salmon so well, and best of all, no marination is required, meaning your salmon will be ready to be devoured in less than 30 minutes. Salmon is high omega-3, which is an essential fatty acid important for heart health, yet it is low in saturated fat and carbohydrates, making it a great protein alternative for anyone's healthy diet. Alright, let's head on to the recipe. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic depending on the size of the cloves, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, approximately 1/8 of a lemon, 1/8 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon onion powder, and a dash of salt. Last and most importantly, 2 pieces of salmon, approximately 200 grams each. First off, let's chop the garlic into finely diced pieces. Now we're ready to make the sauce. Mix together the soy sauce, honey, lemon juice, the pepper, onion powder, and salt, and the garlic. Mix together until well incorporated. Line a baking tray with aluminum foil. Lightly grease the tray with some cooking oil. Place the salmon on the tray. And finally, brush all the sauce generously onto the salmon. Pop it in the oven and let's bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. And it's complete and ready to be devoured. You can drizzle the leftover sauce from the tray onto the salmon when serving for some added flavor. I hope you guys have found this recipe helpful and enjoy! Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Stay safe and healthy, and most importantly, have a great time eating. See you guys next time!